Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. We are here at the fish market at the Dera waterfront. There are so many people there out there. And here is the lobster. What's this? Lobsters. My god, it's too big. And crabs.
130.
Seashells. Hi! Oh, what is this? I don't know. Ang tawag, I don't know this one. Ano to, suso? What is this? Parang ano, hindi ko alam. My gosh. Guys, ayun ang gaganda ng mga ano. Nandito kami guys sa fish market with my friends. We are buying fish. Oh my god. This is it. This is fresh, guys. Oh, look at this. Oh my god. There are so many big. Oh, this is a giant crab.
King crab.
Oh my god.
Meron pa to, no?
Where? Oh, that is the other. Oh my god, the giant crab.
Uy, ano to? Crayfish?
From the up.
What is that, cockroach?
Crayfish.
This one, what is this?
Crayfish.
Gray?
Cray.
Fry?
Crayfish.
Oh my god. It's so amazing, guys. There are so many shells. Ay, what is this? Seafoods. Oh my goodness. And what is this? A snake? What the fuck, man? This one, what do you call this one?
Seashell.
Seashell? Ah. This one a big lobster, giant lobster. Oh my god, this is ano? This one it is a scorpion. Oh my god, it's nice. See guys, we are here at the fish market. Here at the Dera in Dubai. This is my first time visit this place with my friends. They're here. This is my friends, guys. Oh my god, it's crab. It's still alive? I don't think so. What is this? My eye lobster. Uh-oh.
Uy, tumutunog ko, besh.
Why there's a noise?
Put on.
Oh, ayun. And the other one. Okay. I am amazed, guys, with this. Oh, this is. How much kilo, brother?
25.
25 dirham?
Big one.
15.
In the whole market now I have big check. Big one. Check.
I know.
Big size.
20.
22 me cost. 22.
22.
22 me cost.
20.
Yes, sir, I'm profit.
Only 20.
How many kg?
Oh, this is salmon, guys. Tuna, salmon, tuna, and Gigi, and this one head.
25 lang, libre pili. Malalaki.
Oh, para-parehas. Pilipina. Hi, say hi. May Pilipina nga. There's a Pilipina selling the fish. Oh my gosh. It's so nice. Oh, there are another different kind of shrimps.
This one big one, 35. This one is 25.
Oh, see. Ay, Pugita.
Pugita.
They are in charge. What is this? This is talaba. Oyster sauce when you make it. And what is this? What is this?
Crab.
Crab again? Why it's different? And this is shrimp. My god, yummy. Ooh. Kalalaking isda, my goodness. Wow, ang ganda ng mackerel.
Ilawin
This is mackerel. How much kilo? 20? No discount, brother. Huh? You have discount? Say hi. I want this one. But I want discount. Can you give me discount? Pwede kayo bibili? You don't want to buy? Oh, I'm come back, okay?
Hindi pa kaya po. 2 kilo na Gigi.
Wait. Ah. Ancubus. Ancubus. Gigi. Okay guys, nahihilo na ako. Oh my goodness. Too much fish. Oh, this is mackerel. My favorite mackerel. My favorite. Oh, very good. Okay guys, thank you so much for watching. Oh, I need to off.
2 kilo 15. 2 kilo. Galanggo.
Marunong, he knows how to speak Tagalog, guys. He's a Pakistan. 20! 20!
How much kilo?
30 selling 25 for you.
We are buying 3, we both buy mine and her 20 each.
4 kg we will buy. 4 kg.
4 kg ako last. Okay, thank you. It's okay. Bye-bye. Ang lakas! How much is here? How much this one? 15? 10? 10? You will give it to me? Okay. Okay, I will take. Wait a minute. This is fresh? Okay. My favorite. Let me see how much kilo do I need to buy.
Ate pusit galanggo. Pusit kahong galahan.
I don't want too much big. How much is, how many kilos now? Oh, how much is it now? Check first. How much?
Ate galanggo balut.
Where's mine? Huh? Wait. How much? 15? Another more. Make it 20 dirham. Yes. This one. Okay. This. 20 dirham? How many kilos?
Huh?
How many kilos?
2 kg.
Okay. That's it. Okay. See you guys later. Bye-bye.